By now I've probably heard that LightWave is history, so the end of the year is basically the final straw. What happens after that, who knows. But anyway, looking at Blender, I was not too pleased about the support of Blender, because they change things all the time. So it was just really difficult to keep a track of it and just have things that worked in a stable manner. So they finally released this, so that is Blender long-term support. So as you can see, you can install LightWave, burp, not LightWave anymore, Blender LTS 2.83, and you're going to support it for until, well, yeah, February 2022. And then it's on to Blender 9.93, and that's 1 year, and then 3.3, and that's a year, and so on. So you might want to look into this if you're going to use Blender professionally.